There it goes.
Hey, that's a drone spray in the alfalfa field, so I'm narrow-weighting in here. It won't take them too much long. There's 5.4 acres. And there it goes spraying. The alfalfa weevil, they can kill the alfalfa. They actually, when it warmed up overnight, they really knocked it back. I'm positive it'll come back, but if we don't spray it, they'll just keep eating it down until I have nothing. I kind of waited long enough there. They usually have another hatch, and so with 4 weeks on it, that they said. Now, I also read there if you get over 2 inches of heavy rain on it after you spray it, that you'll probably need to spray it again. So we're waiting for we've been waiting for drier weather and calm weather to spray like that, being there. This moldboard plowed ground, that's what I did with the 720 John Deere tractor. And starting out, I'm wanting to put oats in it to harvest, and I know it's getting late. But we had these big ice storms and heavy rains and stuff, and I didn't want to lose the oats. Because last year, a lot of the oats died in the field, so from big heavy rains that we had. So hopefully they're gone, and the oats that I replanted over, they came back late. So I'm going to put oats out here to combine myself for feed and use for my cattle. There's enough product in that drone there to spray this 5 acres. So they're only using one here. When we get to the other field, we will be doing more of it then. It's automatically going back to the truck where it'll land on its own. We'll take some other pictures of it from here. We're going to take another picture. Lisa, that's good.
Okay.